Today we're going to be talking about the best online businesses that you could start this year and start making some extra money right away by doing so. This is going to be a great way to make some extra money on the side, or maybe pursue a new career that you want to take serious and make it a full-time job. Like most of us know, online businesses are pretty much killing the game. We honestly live in a day and time where we can work from our laptops, our computers, pretty much anywhere around the world and make around the same amount of income compared to waking up every day and doing a 9-to-5 office job. And of course, obviously, there's nothing wrong with working for somebody. Some people enjoy their job and enjoy the secure income, while there's others that just don't like the jobs, or sometimes they really do like their jobs, but they just wish they provided a bit more income. So for those who don't know me, my name is 𝙨𝙪𝙧𝙚. I specialize in e-commerce. I own my own company that sells on Amazon Prime, and I also do some other e-commerce platforms even, such as eBay. Like always, all this information is free. If you could just take a bit of your time, hit that like button below. It literally will help out this channel a bunch. Now let's talk about the best online businesses that you could start this year. The best one I think you should do personally is Amazon. When getting started on Amazon, it might be a bit confusing and intimidating for the first few weeks or first month, but literally after you learn the whole process of how everything works, it's one of the best businesses you could actually get into this year. I'm currently averaging around $800 per day. I put in about 2 to 4 hours of work on my Amazon business daily. The reason I work only these short amount of hours is because Amazon pretty much does all the hard work for me. I have my products shipped to Amazon's warehouse. My products are Amazon Prime, meaning my customers receive those products in just 1 or 2 days. When someone orders my product on Amazon, Amazon basically does everything for me. They pack it, they ship it, and deliver it to my customer. I literally just provide Amazon the product and collect the profit. But you do have to make sure, of course, your product has to be good. It has to be good quality. You have to make sure your product is profitable. But for the most part, it wasn't always just working 2 to 4 hours of work a day. Finding the products to sell, negotiating with suppliers, having my product shipped to Amazon's warehouse from China, and learning the whole process did honestly take some time. But I'm telling you right now, it was 100% worth it. There's a lot of more details that go into this whole Amazon business. So I even made another whole video of how to do everything step by step. I also made a free Amazon course that goes over all the basics on my website. There's a bunch of free videos that gets more in depth with the whole process. It will actually help you get started right away. I also even have a more advanced course that this is if something you want to take serious or make a career and you really want to make some side income or full-time income. This course even has 50 videos and will guide you exactly step by step of how to do everything. I mean, everything I know I literally put into this of finding the perfect products to sell on Amazon, how to source it, and every step of the way. So feel free to check out those other videos after, or check out the course. It's in the description down below. The next business we're going to talk about is affiliate marketing business. This is another great way to make money online. It all depends on how you approach this method. What affiliate marketing is exactly is all these big companies will actually pay you a commission for all the sales and leads that you bring in. All the big companies usually have an affiliate program where you can actually take advantage of. Each website has a different percentage of commission payout. It's usually in the bottom of every website. You just have to look for it. It's usually in the bottom, or you can even just Google it. You'll probably find the link for it. Best Buy, Amazon, and Walmart all supply these affiliate programs. The good thing about this is that there's no money needed to start up. You can start up literally right away and start making commission within hours. The part where you have to be creative is getting the leads for these sales. Most people are already buying these items regardless, but if you get them to click your link, you'll actually make a cut from that sale by referring them to that website. You could do this for pretty much any item. So let's say you're passionate about tech or computers. You could pretty much do this for any item. So let's say you're passionate about tech or computers. Maybe you could actually do a tech review YouTube channel, or maybe an Instagram or a blog. Anyone that clicks your link will automatically be referred by you, and you'll actually make a percentage on that sale. I know when I'm personally buying a new product that I'm not really familiar with, or something that's not that popular, what I personally do is I copy and paste the whole title. I put it on the YouTube search, and there's actually usually people reviewing that same product. You could actually be doing this, doing the same exact thing, start making videos of reviewing. You can actually start making a commission right away. If you get big enough, you could probably even start getting free products from companies just to review stuff. There are tons of ways you can do this. You could do YouTube to get more ideas of how you could get started with affiliate marketing and how you could actually get more leads. There's a ton of people out there that actually do this for their careers and their full-time job. The best way to make money is when you're really creative and you create your own strategy and implement it. Thinking outside the box is usually one of the best ways to make money. Another thing we can actually do to make more money is learn a whole new skill set. After learning, you could then provide your services to people and businesses all over the world. There are thousands of ways you can actually make this whole thing work. We live in a day and time where you can literally learn anything just by watching YouTube videos. Pretty much everything is online, and anything with technology you could pretty much learn for free. You could take advantage of this and learn something that you're really interested and passionate about. You could learn how to do special effects, edit a video, learn Photoshop, make a website. It's pretty much endless. Anything that involves technology, you could pretty much learn online. People go to school for graphic designing, but literally you can learn this all on YouTube. All you need to do is learn a skill set that you enjoy and you're passionate about and provide that service to companies all over the world just by using the internet. There are many platforms out there where you can supply your services to companies and people. You could use social media. You could use a website called Fiverr, Upwork. All this allows you the ability to work from home and having the freedom to be your own boss. Honestly, the sky is the limit with this idea. It's crazy to think that if you don't know the answer to something, you could literally find out the answer in just 10 seconds by Googling it on your phone. And what's even crazier is that 20 years ago, we didn't have this ability or this technology. You could learn a skill set on a computer or a laptop from YouTube and work from home or anywhere you want around the world. You literally have the freedom of working when you want and how much you want. Of course, it's going to actually take some time and effort to specialize this whole thing, but if you're truly passionate and interested about something, it'll be a lot less work for you and it won't really feel like work. Nothing beats the fact that you have your own schedule, you work when you want and how much you want. These are the best online businesses I personally recommend you start off doing this year and give it a try. Honestly, you have nothing to lose. That's it for this video. Please make sure to hit that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.